Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona Tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. We are going to make a small cut on the scribe line, but we are not going to cut through the piece of metal. And see if you can get to about 2/3 of the thickness of your wire. And now we are taking our triangular file and we are going to create a V-shape. If you haven't done this before, don't worry. Without a doubt, you are going to cut through this and have to start over a couple of times, and then you learn. And like with a lot of things, you can only learn by doing it. And just in case you haven't noticed this part here, I have a bench pin tutorial out there which shows you how you can create a bench pin that works for you. And I like to have this small edge here, because this will hold my wire if I'm working with it. I am just going to go a bit further. This is my V-shape, and now very gently I am going to bend these parts towards each other. Don't overdo it, because then it will come undone. And now I'm hitting a bit of resistance. So the silver wants to move inward, but a little bit of silver over here is blocking it. So I am very carefully going to go in there again with my saw blade. And of course I'm being extra careful not to cut through it. And once you have made that cut, you will see that you will be able to bend this in a bit further. And when this is out of your pickle solution, grab yourself a tribulate, your plastic mallet, and tap it in shape. I want to straighten this part out a bit, so again with a small steel bench block. And that will do the trick. And I want to tell you another way on how you can make a ring like this, and that is by creating a drop shape and then bend over the tip of the drop, but that involves a lot more math, and that's just not my thing.